loves, and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great. So today I want to share with you guys how, when, and where you apply fragrances. But before we start, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and turn on the notification bell so YouTube will notify you when I upload videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before I tell you where and how, I want to tell you when is the perfect time to apply fragrance. So for me, fragrances are like makeup. You apply it and do whatever you want with it. At the end of the day, you're the one wearing it. And if you feel happy with it, it doesn't matter. So when for me is when I take a shower. My body is clean and I apply fragrance and I feel I am fresh and ready for the day. So sometimes some people likes to just apply the fragrance. For me, I like to moisturize because I feel the skin has more grip and the fragrance will last me longer. But you can do it however you want and you prefer. Some people cannot put it directly on their body because they can have a reaction. So if you want to put it on your clothes, that'll work as well. Now where? Usually wherever your body is pulsating. So behind the ears, right here in your neck. You can do it in the collarbone, you can do it in your wrist, you can do it in the elbow area and behind your knees, because those are the parts of your body that create more heat. So while you're creating heat, the fragrance is actually spreading more. But how? Some people likes to do this. They like to put the fragrance right here. I don't recommend it because you're making like a pool of fragrance, and with the warmth of your body, it's just like this, like it disturbs the fragrance. So if you're 20 to 30 centimeters, you just spray it and let it fall. When it falls in your skin, it's like a mist. So it's gonna grip better and it will last you longer, and you will be able to smell the top, middle, and bottom note. When you mix it, this is a huge no-no because you're warming up the fragrance. And already your wrists are warm, so you're overheating the fragrance, so the fragrance is not gonna last you as long and it's not gonna smell the same. So I always advise that whenever you're applying it after shower, you just moisturize your body and you spray a good distance, and in your arms, just tap and off. Don't rub or anything like that, so you will be able to enjoy your fragrance more. But yes, my loves, those are my tips for today. I want to share with you guys what works for me, what I like doing. It doesn't mean that it's the perfect way to do it. Remember always to try on things, see how they work for you. And if it works, great, yay. If it doesn't, just go ahead and pass it on. If you have any other advice, just leave it out in the description. If you have any advice, leave it down in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. See if you like applying fragrances like this. When do you like applying fragrances? And if you like fragrance at all. So I hope you guys are doing great wherever you are. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Kiss for you, and I hope you have a great day.